Hey, I'm Craig Fraser from the Stan Winston School of Character Arts. Welcome to Water-Based Painting for Props and Effects, Part 2. I'm going to be teaching and showing you the process of transitioning from solvent-based paints to water-based paints. For our final demo, we're taking a toy Nerf gun and we're going to tear it down, go through A to Z, and do different finishes and effects on it and show it as a finished cosplay gun. First thing, I got a Scotch-Brite, and this is the end-all be-all of prep when it comes to quick, dirty prepping. The sealer we're going to use here is 6002. If we're going over bare aluminum, all day long. This is no problem. This is bronze paint. This is actually made with ground-up bronze in it, so a little bit finicky to spray with, but great, great stuff. Now I'm going to come in and tape down on this. Now this is something that normally is kind of scary on any paint on a plastic surface, plus this paint loves plastic. Okay, let's see how this works. Now I'm going to come in, I'm going to give this area here look like a wooden gun stock, like a burled wood gun stock. And I also am going to use the micro versions of those texture stencils and just darken it up. So this is going to be a patina effect. We're not going to fake the patina by stenciling it or splattering it or painting it. We're going to really use acid on this, not dangerous acid. It's about a level of salad dressing acid to give it that cool color. Remember, as an artist, to survive in this industry, you have to embrace the transitions. You have to chase the failures. You have to keep on learning and expanding your knowledge. As you can see, I have a ton to show you guys, so let's get right to painting.